Welcome to the Oval Electric Towel Rail Pairing tutorial. This tutorial applies to various products that feature the Oval control panel, as shown on the screen. We start by opening the Rointe Connect app, which we should have previously downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Select the area where you want to add your towel rail. Tap New Product and select Oval Towel Rail. Now, it's time to activate pairing mode. To do so, press and hold the power and max buttons for 5 seconds. The device will restart. If the device does not restart, it may be because the buttons were not held down long enough, or because the device is locked. If locked, you will notice that pressing any button causes all the LEDs to flash. Once restarted, the temperature LEDs will display a combination to indicate its network name. This LED combination, along with the flashing max button, confirms that your device is in pairing mode. Now, it will scan for Bluetooth devices within range. This step helps determine whether to connect your device via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. If your device appears in the list, stay on this video. If, on the other hand, your device does not appear, click the button in the upper right corner. It will take you to a video explaining how to pair it via Wi-Fi. Select the device and accept any possible Bluetooth pairing confirmations. The search for Wi-Fi networks will then begin. Select your network from the list, which appears in order of signal strength. Tap Connect and enter your network password. Make sure to enter it correctly to ensure successful pairing and avoid configuration issues. The LEDs flashing and then quickly restarting will indicate that the device is configuring correctly. All set. You can now control your towel rail through the Rointe Connect app.